I want to show you something today. So a customer came in and brought in a burnt out dryer element for their Whirlpool dryer. This is the original OEM piece that was in the dryer. Part number, you can see it right here on the side, 3387747. That's the original part number for this particular dryer heating element. What does McCombs have? McCombs has a Supco, Napco branded dryer element. Same exact replacement for that particular part. Now, you want to know some of the differences? Let's take a look. Okay, the original, the Supco version. Looks the same. Coil for the Supco. Coil for the original. Looks the same. I mean, okay. And you put them up, basically one on top of the other. Exactly the same size. Let's flip it over. Again, looking at the coil of the Supco that we sell at McCombs. And then the original. The same. So what is the difference? I've only found two differences. I'm going to tell you what they are. One, you can see these little ceramic insulators, this right here. They basically keep this wire from hitting, or this metal from hitting this metal, basically. So they keep it from touching. The original has the same thing. It's just a slightly different shape. That's it. That is really the main difference. You can see it right there. Now, that's the first difference. Second difference is, you guessed it, everybody, price. So this is why we sell the products we sell at McCombs. We want people to have affordable replacement parts for their appliances and HVAC systems. Okay? This original part would cost $56 to replace on a Whirlpool dryer. This one at McCombs is $20.69. So, not only are you getting the same part, different brand. Obviously, this is an OEM, and this is not an OEM. It's Supco branded, Napco Supco. But it does the exact same thing. It functions exactly as it's supposed to, as an exact replacement for this. So this part replaces this part, and it functions just as well. And you'll basically pay 50% less for our part that we sell here at McCombs, which is the Supco brand. Anyway, we're out here to save you money. If you need a part for your appliance, HVAC system, shop McCombsSupply.com. We're here for you 24/7 online. And we have phone support during business hours as well, which you can find the phone number on our website. Shop McCombsSupply.com and save over OEM products with quality, top brand, high quality aftermarket parts.